What's up? This is Millard from LoveScapes. After posting a few pictures of my cooking on Instagram and Facebook, we received some requests for a tutorial. So today, I'm bringing you LoveScapes in the kitchen. For today's tutorial, we're going to make tilapia. We're going to add a little twist to it by topping it with mushrooms. Now, if you don't like mushrooms, don't worry about it. You don't have to do it. That's what I like about cooking. It's a way to express yourself, so you can tailor any recipe to your liking. So we're just going to melt that down and come back and add the mushrooms. All right, the butter is melted. The particular one I use today is a garlic butter by Saute Express. Just gonna add the mushrooms. I'm also going to saute them. Sea salt, not too much. That will do the trick. I melted the butter at low heat, and now I'm going to turn it up to medium heat so we can brown the mushrooms. It's a real quick process, takes about a minute or two. Now I must give the disclaimer that I call myself the people's chef because I've never been to culinary school, never had any professional training. I'm just a man that loves to eat. Preheat your oven to 400. Now we're just going to coat them with some olive oil. Just a little bit. I'm going to actually rub some of that in. As I said before, cooking is creative, so use the spices that you like. Just going to add a little garlic powder. Cover them. We're going to use some black pepper. Now this is a seasoning that I found recently that is delicious. Go pick it up. Just gonna add that generously. Like I told you, I like my food spicy. Next step, you're just gonna add your mushrooms on top of the tilapia. Now it's all ready to be baked for 20 minutes. Make sure you use a skillet that can be placed in the oven, or that might get messy. Tilapia goes well with rice or a salad. Today we're going to make potato wedges because I love potatoes. And we're going to make a spice blend to coat them with. We have red pepper, other known as cayenne pepper. Not that much, not a lot. Kind of do the same portions for everything. This is paprika. Ground mustard. I know you're thinking like, what? I never thought of that. Trust me, it's good. Dill. garlic. Told you I love my garlic. A little bit of pepper, not too much. Just how I'm blending it today. Potatoes need some salt. Just gonna cover the bottom like that. Now I told you, I love spicy, so for a little added kick, yeah. Red pepper flakes. So you want to make sure that you wash your potatoes, dry them, and now you're going to coat them with olive oil. Some of you might have noticed that I don't measure a lot. Blame it on my mother. She doesn't measure a lot either. Just gonna coat these real good. You didn't see this on camera, but I wash my hands a lot while I'm cooking. If you coat your potatoes well enough, you don't have to add extra coating to the baking sheet. I'm going to add some oregano just to give it that little bit of flavor. When it starts baking, you could smell it. Like, what is that? Who is cooking what in that kitchen? Because it smells so good. All right, so we're gonna bake these at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Your tilapia should be ready. 20 minutes. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. You see it. Don't act like you don't. Now, I'm not a health fanatic, but I try to have greens in every meal. A side salad, baby spinach, tomatoes, red onions, and cucumber. And I'm going to make my own salad dressing. Start off with a olive oil base. Lemon. The seasonings to go with it. Garlic again. Italian seasoning. Sea salt. And to add that kick that I like, back to the same Cajun. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see how it tastes. This food makes me want to say, my. It sure tastes good tonight. So listen, this is my suggestion. Less fighting and more cooking. Try it. Just try it. Hit us on Facebook and let us know how that turns out. Next time you're in an argument, be like, babe, wait. Let's cook. I'm serious. Once again, this is LoveScapes in the Kitchen. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Let us know what you think.